Yeah, today's tip of the week is, should you get in before interest rates drop? And Tim, this is the big question we're getting from our clients right now, just because interest rates are dropping and what's going to happen to the market. Tim, what do we feel is going to happen? And should you take advantage right now to get in?
Yeah, and speaking to interest rates, we figure there's going to be another quarter point drop in September. The American Fed is most likely going to drop their interest rate by probably a half a point. That's what we're hearing. So you're going to see drops all across North America. And what does that do when you drop interest rates?
So what it does is it brings more buyers into the market, which create bidding wars. So unfortunately, when there's bidding wars, properties normally sell at list price or above list price. And Tim, like we sold one in Spruce Cliff last month, it went $100,000 over list price. So just that alone, we're scared for some of the buyers, Tim, that have been sitting on the sidelines waiting for interest rates to drop, because when they do start dropping, 25 points, another 25 points, it's just going to bring more buyers into the market. Tim, what other reasons do we have?
Yeah, history has shown that when interest rates drop, prices go up. The third reason is Calgary is one of the leading cities in North America for population growth. As we've seen over the last 2 years, we've seen tons and tons of interprovincial migration coming here, tons of international migration coming here. So what we're seeing is Calgary's population explode. And when you get more and more buyers in the market, it's going to lower our supply and drive up prices.
Yeah, as Tim was saying, history has shown us when money is cheaper to borrow, prices have gone up. You just have to go back and look. We study the market every single day. We know what's going on. We've been doing this for 20 years. But another thing that's going on is, yes, inventory is going up right now, but we're still not at normal levels. Normal levels for us, Tim, are between 5,000 and 5,500 listings. That is a normal market for us. We're still just above 3,000. So even though inventory is coming up, Tim, we're still getting into bidding wars on properties below 600,000. And now, Tim, let's talk about the price range. Why it's so crazy under 600,000?
Yeah, that price range, it's the sweet spot. So the majority of the people that are looking to buy a property are in that price range, because it's the average income in Calgary will qualify for a house between 350 and 600,000. So we're seeing the majority of the buyers in that segment, and it's a little segment right now because inventory is so tight. And what it's doing is it's driving up those prices and pushing people out of the market.
Yeah, and the last huge factor to all of this is that rents went up so much that anyone buying, Tim, in the 450 range, that's why we're seeing that market go really crazy, or in the condo range, 350 and below, you know what, prices will continue to go up because it's cheaper for people to actually buy a property with interest rates coming down than actually go rent the same property right now. So that is our crew tip of the week. If it's your first crew tip of the week, subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell, press subscribe so you don't miss our videos that we do weekly. And there's a whole bunch of videos. I think, Tim, we're up to 300 videos or something. It's crazy. Very valuable information for you investors out there so you can succeed today.